We bought this house at foreclosure auction for $152,000 with some closing costs. We were gonna wholesale this for $50,000 in profit. Yet we decided to forget that. We're gonna flip this house for over $80,000 in profit in less than 2 weeks. Let's go check it out. I'm the Flipping Landlord Ninja, and we're Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
First thing we did, we got here, the roof was tarped. It was in bad, so we actually hired a contractor. We replaced all the roof. We're actually working on a contractor to handle the garage doors. The siding, honestly, was in great shape. So we're gonna keep that. We are redoing the front here because they had some weird railing system. And we're gonna paint the foundation, make it look a lot more attractive, fix some of the soffit, upgrade the lighting. I mean, all this is getting done, and we've already been only on the project for 1 week. So we're expecting to possibly be done on either Friday or Saturday. So we're gonna be done in like less than 2 weeks. Originally, we were thinking we're gonna wholesale this, which is great. We actually had a couple of buyers in mind, and we could have made $50,000 real quick. But because the market is just so hot right now, and we had some guys that are on the sidelines that had just finished the one project, we decided to keep it and do this in-house so that we can make that extra profit. So let's go check this out. So we're definitely also replacing this storm door because this thing's shot. We also master key all of our doors so it's easy to get in and out. So as you can see, we've got most of the place already repainted. So we're going to be going back here. This was all carpeted, but we're going to actually go with a luxury vinyl plank flooring all throughout. There was central air here, central heat, but there was no actual central air. So we added a central air system, which will add the value quite a bit. We're going to be removing this and putting also the luxury vinyl throughout here. We did add granite. Honestly, the cabinets were in great shape. We're going to add a little hardware on them, clean them up, and it's going to look great because this was all in good shape based on the area that we're in. We have a little half back here, which we're just going to update a little bit. This is like a little bonus room office. We back here in the backyard, really, this was all pressure treated wood that was actually painted, but it was all flaking. So we actually put up a PVC railing, put Trex deck down. Just makes the place look shiny new. You can see here, that's the new AC unit that we installed out there. It's a little small, but nice. We're gonna fix the fence, and that's the update there. We're updating all the switches and outlets. We have our electrician on staff who's gonna handle that. See in here, we're just kind of fixing up the garage just a little bit, putting a brand new garage door and stuff like that. But other than that, we're just pretty much staying the same, nothing doing fancy there. And this was really mostly lipstick on a peg, just kind of getting the, really basically the painting was the big thing that needed to get done here. Already have wired in smokes. We're going to do the vinyl up through here as well. So what you can do here, we're going to keep the bathroom pretty much the same. We're just going to update the flooring. We're actually going to have the countertop match the granite down in the kitchen, so it looks a little better. So we got 3 bedrooms up here. Where the roof is leaking, so we had to insulate up there and kind of fix that. And then we're going to retexture the ceiling just so it matches. The trim is all done, and everything's really in great shape. So it did also have electric baseboard on the 2nd floor. That's how it was already installed. We're just kind of leaving that as is and just kind of going with it. So I love these newer construction homes because it's generally the wiring is updated. You don't have to worry about having tube. Everything is pretty simple as opposed to when the older homes you're working with maybe galvanized piping for plumbing and stuff like that, which we buy often as well, but it's just a little bit more work. I don't think we're going down there with the camera. Maybe next time. So yeah, so that's kind of the one here. So we decided to keep this in-house because we're gonna actually have because it was such a quick flip and we had people actually that were just finished the last project, it makes sense that we can kind of keep this in-house and actually, increase our profit margin. If this is something you guys like and like to see more of this, let me know with a comment below. I'd love to, give you guys more stuff on this and other flips that we're doing. And if you want to learn more about flipping, check out this video on some of the do's and don'ts. Awesome. Thanks, guys.